Good morning, students. In this video, I have to start definite integral. This is also part of integral. In previous video, you have completed so many chapters of integral, but here we have to study definite integral. Clear? Now there are so many properties of definite integral. Property number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining are also, but I am going to explain one by one. Understood? Then property number, suppose 1 here. If limit a to b, a means lower limit, b means upper limit. Fx dx is equal to what? A to b fy dy. Clear? Okay. Properties are very very important. If you will understand about the property, then you can do maximum question of this chapter. So please you see here very carefully, because property is very very important. Understood? Good. A to b fx dx is equal to a to b fy dy. It means in this case, if variable are changed, variable means fx dx, this is a variable of x, fy dy, this is a variable of y. If variable are changed, then answer remains same. Clear? Means example suppose 1 to 2 here, x and dx. First of all, integrate this question. What is the integration of x? X means x square by 2 and limit lower to upper in big bracket 1 to 2. Now we have to put the value of x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1, because rule is if a to b fx dx is equal to, we can write fx limit a to b, means if any function is given, first of all we integrate given function with respect to x. After that, what is the result of given integration? Then we have to write the limit. A to b is lower limit, b is upper limit, and in the place of x of whole function we will put upper limit, means here fb minus fa. Now this is answer. Totally rules depend on integration only. Definite means limits are given and value will come constant, means there is no addition of arbitrary constant. Clear? Then here x is equal to 2 means 2 square by 2 minus x is equal to 1 square by 2 is equal to what? 2 2s are 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2. That is 4 minus 1 3 by 2. Clear? If we will change the variable means suppose here 1 to 2 y and dy. So what is the integration of y with respect to y? Very simple, y square by 2 here and 2. Now 2 square by 2 minus 1 square by 2 is equal to 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. Now therefore integration of 1 to 2 here, limit x dx is equal to 1 to 2 y dy is equal to what? 3 by 2. Then we can say if variable are changed, limits are same, then answer remains same. Clear? Okay, good. Now see the limit means properties. Second property, limit a to b fx dx is equal to minus limit b to a fx and dx. Clear? Means if we will change the limit here lower to upper and here upper to lower, we will take a minus outside. This sign we will change. Give example here. Example means suppose 1 to 2 here, x minus 1 dx. What is the integration of x? Integration of x means x square by 2 minus integration of 1 means x only here and limit 1 to 2. Now in the place of x we can put 2 square by 2 minus 2 here and 1 square by 2 minus 1 here. 2 square 4 by 2 minus 2 and here 1 by 2 minus 1. 4 by 2, 2 minus 2, 0 and here 1 by 2 minus 1 means minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Clear? This is the value of integration of this function, this question. If minus 1 to 2, suppose I am going to change the limit 2 to 1, x minus 1 dx is equal to what? X means what? Very simple here, minus sign here, clear? X square by 2 minus x 1 to 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 2 square means 4 by 2 minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 means what? Minus 1 by 2 minus 4 by 2 minus 2 means what? 0. Minus into minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now you can see here limit 1 to 2 x minus 1 dx is 1 by 2 and when we will change the limit means here from lower to upper, here from upper to lower, the sign will be changed. When we will change the sign, then answer remains same. No change in answer. Understood? Then here same answer 1 by 2. Clear? Okay, good. Now see the property number 3. This is very most important. Very most important. Clear? Then here limit a to b, here f dx is equal to what? Suppose that we have to take a value between a and b. A and b means suppose c or d, depend on you. Then a to c f dx and plus c to b f and dx. Clear? Where a is less than c is less than b. Means when we will take this type property, this type limits, when mod numbers will there. Mod means suppose example here 2 to 8 mod of x minus 5 and dx. Clear? Mod means this is the modulus of x minus 5. There is two values, negative and positive value. Negative and positive value. Clear? Means already you know mod is there. X, if x is greater than equal to 0, this is plus value. And if x is less than 0, this is minus value. Then this mod has two type value, positive value and negative value according to condition. Condition means if x is greater than or equal to 0, then this is positive value. If x is less than 0, this is negative value. Any problem? Good. Now here x minus 5, and if x minus 5 is more than or equal to 0, then we have x minus 5 positive value. If x minus 5 is less than 0, then only minus x minus 5. That is what? 5 minus x. Clear? And second rule is x minus 5 here is equal to 0. Then 5 is the value of c. Why? The 5 is more than 2 and less than 8. Means we can take here 2 to 5. Fx means x minus 5 here and dx plus then 5 to 8 fx means x minus 5 and dx. Any problem? Very good. Whatever value is there, first of all simple way, x minus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. Clear? Then this is the middle limits between a to b, means 2 to 5. Then 2 to 5 x minus 5 dx plus 5 to 8 x minus 5 dx. Why 2 is less than 5 is less than 8? Understood? Then x minus 5 is the positive value. Here x minus 5 is the negative. We can check here. We can put any one value of x between 2 and 5. Suppose taking 3. 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is what? Minus 5. Suppose 4. We are taking 4 here. 4 minus 5 what? 5. Between. If we will take any value of x between 5 to 8. 6 minus 5 positive value. 7 minus 5 also positive value. And 7.9 also positive value. Means positive value will come. Clear? Then 2 to 5 and here 5 minus x dx plus 5 to 8 and x minus 5 and dx. After that simply integrate. Integrate means integration of 5 means 5x, x means x square by 2 and limit 2 to 5 plus x means x square by 2 minus 5 means 5x limit 5 to 8. Now we can put the value here. In the place of x 5 means 5 into 5 minus 5 square by 2 minus 5 into 2 minus 2 square by 2 plus same here 8 square by 2 minus 5 into 8 and plus means here minus value because first of all we will put 8 in the place of x minus in the place of x we will put 5. Then here 5 square by 2 minus 5 into 5. After that it will solve, answer will come. Any problem? Please pay attention of this property because this is very important for you. Understood? Okay. Now see the property number 4. A to B f dx is equal to A to B A plus B minus x dx. Any problem? Good. A to B f dx is equal to A to B A plus B minus x dx. Or suppose 0 to A f dx is equal to what? Here in the place of A 0. 0 plus A means here A minus x and dx. Clear? Now I am going to give example here. Example suppose 0 to pi by 2 and here sin x dx upon what? Sin x plus dx. Clear? Integration of this question we can do directly, we can do by apply other formula, other rules, other method, but in this question by using the property of integration we can integrate this question. Clear? Then 0 to A or A to B. In this question suppose here let I is equal to this one. Now this is equation number 1. Clear? Now 0 to pi by 2. Now 0 plus pi by 2 is equal to what? Pi by 2. In the place of x we can put pi by 2 minus x whole upon sin pi by 2 minus x plus cos pi by 2 minus x and dx. Clear? After that sin 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cos of x dx. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cos of x. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to what? Sin x. Now this is equation number 2. Any problem? After apply the property, after putting the property, whatever equation will come, this is equation number 2. Now on adding equation number first and second, on adding equation number first and second, I plus I is equal to what? 2i and 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx upon what? Sin x plus cos of x plus 0 to pi by 2 and here cos of x upon what? Sin x plus cos of x dx. Clear? Now we can see here 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, limit is same. In this condition, 0 to pi by 2, sin x plus cos x whole upon what? Sin x plus cos x and dx. Cancel here. Now 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2 1 into dx. Now we have to integrate of 1, means integration of 1 is equal to what? 1 is equal to x and 0 to pi by 2. 2y is equal to pi by 2 minus 0, then I is equal to pi by 4. Now this is answer. Clear? Very simple. Understood? Very good. Okay. Now see the fifth property. Now this is the last property from my side, because fixed property are given in your book. Then you can consult. You can see the book. Clear? Minus a to a f dx is equal to 0. If this is when fx is an odd function. Clear? And minus a to a f dx is equal to what? This is to 0 to a f dx when fx is an even function. Clear? If limits are same, a here, but sign is same. Sign is same means minus a to a fx dx is equal to 0 when fx is an odd function. Minus a to a fx dx is equal to 2, 0 to a fx dx when fx is an even function. Clear? Now example here, suppose minus 1 to 1 and here x cube. Clear? Since f minus x is equal to minus fx, now this is odd function. If f minus x is equal to fx, this is even function. Now fx is equal to x cube here, f minus x is equal to minus x whole cube is equal to minus x cube. Clear? Very simple. In the place of x we can put minus. Now minus fx, you can say exist first property, first value. Then therefore given function is an odd function. Therefore what? Minus 1 to 1 x cube dx is equal to 0. Now this is answer. Any problem? No. Very good. This is first example. Second example, if suppose here minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square x dx. Now we can check here. Fx is equal to sin square x. F minus x is equal to sin square minus x is equal to what? Sin square x, that is Fx. F minus x is equal to Fx is coming. F minus x is equal to Fx is coming. This is even function. Here odd function, here even function. Therefore, this value is equal to what? 2, 0 to 2, pi by 2, sin square x and dx. Now, how we can integrate of sin square x? Already you know, cos 2x is equal to what? 1 minus 2 sin square x. Then 2 sin square x is equal to what? 1 minus cos of 2x. Then here 2 sin square x. 2 sin square x is equal to what? 1 minus 0 to pi by 2, 1 minus cos 2x and dx. Now integration of 1 means x. Cos 2x means what? Sin 2x upon 2, pi by 2 and 0. Now we can put the limits, answer will come. In this video, I have completed few properties, remaining properties already given your book, because these are very very important for us. That's why I have told already here. And how many examples already I have given here. Please you will complete. After that, first of all, you have to complete example question. Example. So many important examples are given in your book. Please first of all you complete your example. After completing example, you will try to do exercise problem. Understood? Okay, thank you very much.